Hello friends, welcome to SMA Vlog. I'm Shahid. Today in this video I'm going to show how I'm going to fix my room heater, and I will try to show you all the steps that I'm going to follow to fix this room heater. So be with me. It's a regular room heater that I used to have. I'm using this room heater for more than 2 years. Sometimes this room heater is very helpful when you want to make your room temperature a little bit warm, but suddenly this morning this room heater stopped working, and after going through this I kind of figure out what's wrong with it. Basically, this room heater has a safety switch underneath. That means that if you are using this room heater and it is powered on, for any reason if it fall down like that or like this, so this room heater will stop working automatically. So that switch I'm thinking is the problem which I'm going to fix. So I will open this room heater now and try to fix this switch. So let's say if I can't fix this switch, I will bypass that switch so that this room heater will not give me any trouble anymore. But of course this is little bit dangerous and not recommended. But during this pandemic situation, when it is better to stay at home and most of the stores are closed, so I believe this is the only solution I have right now. So I'm going to fix this switch. Otherwise, if I can't fix it, I will try to bypass that switch. So let's go. So as you see, this switch is not working properly. It's kind of free, it's making the noise, and I believe this is the problem. So for this reason, first of all, I need to open this. Okay, so this is the room heater. As you see, this is the switch which is not working properly. So I need to fix this switch. This switch is not working, and basically this switch broke. So to open this switch, first I need to unscrew this switch. This is the switch. So guys, this is our switch which is not working, which is broken. So what we will do, I need to release this cable from here a little bit more. See, I put this cable a little bit more inside. So this is our main power cable. I put a little bit more cable inside, and I'm going to set the clip again. So guys, one tip I want to give you at this point: be careful with these screws, because you know, this device is little bit old. Like, I'm using it for last around 2 years, so this plastic has lost its tension. So when you try to open this screws, what will happen, the screw will break the plastic from its plastic hole and it will come off. So be very gentle when you are opening this screw from the hole. So that's it guys. Now this is basically our cable that went inside here, and now we are going to bypass this cable. So let's open the switch first. So tight. There we go. Okay, so this is the switch that is malfunctioning. This is the switch. It's not good. So basically you can put together this and it will work fine. So at this point I need this extra piece of metal. I'm going to use you need to break this extra piece of metal from this switch. Okay. And I'm going to use this extra piece of metal. First I will put one end here. You need to just hold this thing and take patience to put this inside. It's good enough, and the other portion it will go easily in. Okay, and you should use a electric tape, but as I mentioned to you, I cannot go outside to buy electric tape at this point, so I am using a regular all-purpose tape to tape this. So basically what I did, I just bypassed the switch, and now it will work whenever I put the power in. Now I'll put this thing back, and I will make sure that this joint go inside here and don't come across with any other connections. Alright, now it's time to put our screws back. So that's it guys, I hope it will work. I'm done with this, so let's try it. Let's see it works or not. Yes, as you see guys, it's working. The light is on, it's giving the heat. So only thing is not working right now is this thermostat is also working. Everything is working, so only thing is not working is this safety switch. So it means that if for any reason while working, if it fall down or whatever happened to it, it will not stop working. So only thing that switch, this was the switch which was controlling that connection. So we took out this switch and bypassed the connection, and that's it, it's working. So during this situation when we shouldn't go outside and stay at home, so if anything happened to anything, you should know how to fix it. So I thought I should share with you guys and let you know how you can fix your room heater if you need to do so. So thanks everybody for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you think this video was good and gave you some information and you liked that video, so please thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and also click the small bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So thanks everybody, thanks for watching, have fun and have a good time. Bye bye.